Hi, everybody. My name is Patrick, and I'm an enrolled agent. So, that happens to be kind of sort of like an accountant. Some might say it is, some might say it's not. The question is, what is an accountant? Well, according to this definition that I just looked up on Google, it says an accountant is a person whose job is to keep or inspect financial accounts. That's very vague and ambiguous, and we can go a little more into it. More so, what are different types of accounting designations that you might want to look into if you need tax or accounting help? The first I'd like to talk about is a CPA, Certified Public Accountant. Most people know what a CPA is, at least by name, but let's talk really a little more about what a CPA has to do, what they have to know, and what it takes to become one. So, CPA is somebody who has typically a 4-year degree education in the United States. They have to take an additional 30 units, or I guess an extra year, in various courses to lead up to a certain amount of education requirements to sit for the exam in their state. Then they have to take the uniform CPA exam. And then after they take the uniform CPA exam, they have to meet the experience requirement. Now, that varies from state to state, and there's a wide range of how you can actually get that accomplished. But the exam is the one thing that CPAs have in common. There's 4 sections. There's auditing, there's financial accounting and reporting, there's business environment and concepts, and there's regulation. So I like to think of a CPA as kind of a jack of all trades, not necessarily a master of one or all, if you know what I mean. Typically, at some point in their career, a CPA decides that they want to focus on a certain aspect. So you might have someone who's an auditor who has been doing that for 5, 10, 20 years. You might have somebody who becomes a tax accountant who's done that as their area of focus. But a CPA will have a good knowledge base about a wide variety of accounting topics. Then there's an enrolled agent. An enrolled agent is somebody who has earned the privilege to represent taxpayers before the IRS at all levels and has unrestricted practice rights as to what taxpayers or tax matters that they can handle. So, the enrolled agent is tested on business business tax topics, individual tax topics, and representation and procedures before the IRS. But each one of those topics is an exam in of itself. So it's really, really comprehensive and tax focus. You go really deep in a narrow focus. So an enrolled agent is someone who, just by being so, is going to be well versed in areas of taxation. And if you're thinking about at least a tax professional from the get-go, and you don't know any better, you might want to go with an enrolled agent simply because that's all they are tested on is tax. Not saying that you have to, but they're probably your best bet. Another one that I really like that I'm actually going to pursue myself is the certified management accountant. Now, the certified management accountant is somebody who does management accounting. Management accounting is not necessary to conform with the U.S. generally accepted accounting principles. You have to know financial ratios, budgeting, forecasting, and basically it's really about strategy and consulting for the company that you work for or the clients that you may advise. Another one that you might want to do if you need bookkeeping needs is the certified bookkeeper by the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers. I've studied this as well, and they're tested on inventory, fraud prevention, depreciation, adjusting entries, a wide variety of topics. So if you need bookkeeping, you probably would be good off with a certified bookkeeper as well. You also want to make sure that your accounting professional does know technology and can probably use the technology that you might need, or knows technology that you might need that you not know that you need. So you have certified QuickBooks Pro advisors, certified Xero advisors. There's a wide variety of accounting professionals who are qualified to handle your situation beyond a CPA, is pretty much what I'm here to say. Now, of course, the CPA is considered the golden standard, and it's the one that's most widely recognized by the general public. But remember, you also have the option of an enrolled agent. If you're thinking about tax issues, you have the option of a certified management accountant if you want to have somebody who's really versed in strategy, or if you really need bookkeeping to get a control of your books, you have certified bookkeepers. And also, all of these people can be certified and pro advisors on different technology that exists. So, hope this helps you make a better decision when choosing an accounting professional. And thanks for watching.